Hey everyone, thank you for returning to the Yessaar Tech. We will examine the Adobe Illustrator CC 2023 through question and answer in today's video. This video will assist you in becoming acquainted with Illustrator, whether you're new to it or simply need a refresher. Let's get started.
Hi madam, how are you?
Hi, I am fine. And how are you?
What is Adobe Illustrator?
Adobe Illustrator is a professional vector graphics editor and design program developed by Adobe Inc. It is widely used by designers, illustrators, and artists to create scalable graphics, logos, icons, drawings, and complex illustrations for print, web, video, and mobile platforms.
What is the vector graphics?
Vector graphics are a type of graphic image that uses mathematical equations to represent images. Unlike raster graphics, which are composed of pixels, vector graphics are made up of paths defined by points, lines, curves, and shapes. These paths can be scaled infinitely without losing quality, making vector graphics ideal for logos, icons, illustrations, and any design that requires resizing.
What is the raster graphics?
Raster graphics, also known as bitmap graphics, are images composed of a grid of individual pixels, where each pixel represents a single point of color. These pixels come together to form the entire image. Common raster file formats include JPEG, PNG, GIF, BMP, and TIFF. Raster graphics are preferred when working with images that require a high level of detail and color accuracy, despite their limitations in scalability and potential for large file sizes.
How does Adobe Illustrator differ from Adobe Photoshop?
Adobe Illustrator is primarily used for creating vector graphics, which are scalable and resolution independent, making them ideal for logos, icons, and illustrations. Adobe Photoshop, on the other hand, is a raster graphics editor, best suited for photo editing, retouching, and creating bitmap-based artwork. While Illustrator excels in creating clean, scalable designs, Photoshop is more powerful for image manipulation and pixel-based editing.
Who can benefit from using Adobe Illustrator?
Illustrator is beneficial for graphic designers, illustrators, web designers, branding specialists, and anyone involved in creating digital or print graphics. It is also useful for artists who want to create scalable artwork and for businesses that need professional quality logos, marketing materials, and illustrations.
Can Adobe Illustrator be used for web design?
Yes, Adobe Illustrator can be used for web design. It allows designers to create web graphics, icons, and UI elements with precision. Illustrator's vector graphics are easily scalable for different screen sizes and resolutions, making it a valuable tool for responsive web design. Additionally, Illustrator supports exporting assets in various web-friendly formats, including SVG, PNG, and JPEG.
What is the learning curve for Adobe Illustrator?
The learning curve for Adobe Illustrator can be moderate to steep, depending on the user's prior experience with graphic design software. Beginners may find it challenging at first due to the wide range of tools and features available. However, Adobe provides extensive tutorials, online resources, and community forums to help users learn and master the software. With practice and dedication, users can become proficient in using Illustrator.
What are some common uses of Adobe Illustrator?
Common uses of Adobe Illustrator include 1. Designing logos and brand identity materials. 2. Creating detailed illustrations and drawings. 3. Developing icons and user interface elements for web and mobile applications. 4. Producing vector-based infographics and data visualizations. 5. Crafting print materials such as brochures, posters, and business cards. 6. Designing typography and custom fonts.
How does Adobe Illustrator integrate with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications?
Adobe Illustrator integrates seamlessly with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications, such as Photoshop, InDesign, After Effects, and Adobe XD. This integration allows for easy transfer of assets and projects between applications, enhancing workflow efficiency and enabling collaborative work. For example, users can import vector graphics from Illustrator into Photoshop for further editing, or place Illustrator artwork into InDesign layouts for print publication.
Can you use Adobe Illustrator for digital painting?
While Adobe Illustrator is primarily a vector graphics editor, it does have tools for digital painting, such as brushes and effects. However, for more detailed and raster-based painting, Adobe Photoshop is generally preferred.
Is Adobe Illustrator suitable for beginners?
Adobe Illustrator can be challenging for beginners due to its extensive features and tools. However, with the help of tutorials, online courses, and practice, beginners can become proficient in using the software.
What file formats does Adobe Illustrator support?
Adobe Illustrator supports various file formats, including AI, Illustrator, EPS, PDF, SVG, and more. It can also export files to formats like PNG, JPEG, and GIF for use on the web or in other applications.
How can I learn Adobe Illustrator?
It's very simple. Let's get your YouTube opened. Enter Yessaar Tech as our channel name in the search bar. Find out our channel name and logo. Choose the Adobe Illustrator tutorial playlist, which is available for free. As well as remember to click the bell symbol and subscribe to our channel.
All right, madam. I'm grateful that you gave of your precious time. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help.